You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say correctly more interesting but often confusing names, including French names, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. She is the current French president's wife. In French it is said as Brigitte Trogneaux. Brigitte Trogneaux. It'd be fine in English to say it as Brigitte Trogneaux. Brigitte Trogneaux. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.